Hi, today I would like to share with you 5 tips to help you make a great espresso shot with this DeLonghi Dedica EC685 machine. Tip number 1 is to use whole bean coffee. This is much better than buying coffee already grinded because the whole beans stay fresher over a longer period of time. Tip number 2 is to grind small amounts and keep the grinded coffee in a vacuum container. The third tip is to always preheat the machine and the coffee cup by making a fake coffee with the portafilter empty. Use between 7 and 9 grams of coffee for a single shot of espresso. Tip number 4 is to make sure the coffee grounds are evenly distributed before you tamp the coffee. This will ensure an even extraction later. And the last tip number 5 is to just forget about this plastic tamper that comes with the machine and buy a good metal tamper like this one from DeLonghi. It will work much better. Also, make sure that the rim of the portafilter is clean. This should be tip number 6, but I wanted to make a video with just 5 tips today. And that's it. Let's make our coffee and watch it drip in slow motion. That's always a relaxing view. I really hope that these tips were useful and will help you on your journey to become an amateur barista with this very nice coffee machine. Any questions, you can leave them on a comment section below. If you enjoyed this video, please like it and subscribe. Thanks!